like, no, I'm just going to use the source. I know, we're so excited. What a dork. What a dork. Okay, well, the cats are hissing. Come here. Hey, dork. Cat. Let's say if they run. There's a kitty, and he's backing away from that one. Huh, you'll kick his butt. He's all, oh bull. So that's good. Look, here's the ball. The ball's your friend. So that's good. Okay. I don't think you can